nice of you to join me. My name is Evan and I'm the Messy Leslie. So in this video, I'm sharing 2 DIYs for the fashion lovers out there. So these are basically trends that are being offered by all major fashion brands. Before we dive into these DIYs, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. So first up is a cropped denim jacket. These are available in many different styles and you can see celebrities, fashion icons and Instagram influencers wearing these and rocking them so much. I came across this one at Forever 21 and I loved it so much. So I decided to make this and show you how to make it for yourself. I got this denim jacket at a thrift market many months ago. I don't even remember. Anyway, I got this for like 300 rupees, which is like $3. It is quite oversized. I like its fit. I think it's nice. It's loose, but it's like too long and it has like really long sleeves for me and you can't even see my hands. So I want my cropped denim jacket to fall around my mid-waist, somewhere above or near my belly button. I'm just going to take a marker and mark where I basically want my cropped denim jacket to fall. Cropped denim jacket that I'm taking inspiration from is of a loose style and that's what I'm aiming for my own denim jacket. So I'm going to not make any changes to the fit, but I want to change the size of the sleeve. So I want the cuff in my sleeve. I don't want to cut it out. So I'm going to fold my sleeve backward and then I'll unfold my cuff onto the folded part. So this is basically where I want my sleeve to be. I'm going to mark the folded part. Now let's move to the front part. Before I start, I'm going to button down the jacket so it can be cut evenly. I'll use the mark that I made to create a line. I'm going to lay the jacket flat and then just cut it out. Now this is the really long but really fun part. I'm just going to take a tweezer and I'm going to start pulling the threads at the edge. Once you pull out the threads, you can just use your hands to pull them out further for like a quick solution. I'll do the back similarly. And next I'm going to move to the sleeves. So I'm folding the sleeves where I marked them. I'm going to start pinning, doing the corners first. Then I'll sew along the cuff. Once done, I'm going to cut the excess and unfold the cuff. Now you can't even tell that you have fixed this. I love how easy and fun this was to make, and I like how this is so trendy and so edgy, and it can work with any kind of outfit. So I like it so much. So the next trend that I'm going to DIY is something that is so chic but so simple, and it's being offered by brands in different styles. Some are offering it in formal tops, some are offering the trend in casual tops, so it can work with any kind of look. So I came across this at Forever 21 and I decided to show you how to make it for yourself. I've taken a similar t-shirt. I'm going to turn this inside out. First, I'll measure the length at the front and mark where I want my twist to be. Then I'll find the center I want my bands that create the twist to be 4 inches wide. So I'll mark the width and then draw a straight line from top to bottom. The width of the sides beside the bands should be shorter than the length of the band. So now I'll cut the bands out. I'm going to check if I can make a nice twist. Perfect. The width of the bands is 4 inches. So when I make the twist and connect the bands to the side, the back part should be as long as the front part. So at the back, I'm going to mark 4 inches from where I have cut at the front. I'll cut out the hem because it's not required. At the front, I'm going to sew the edges of the band and I'm going to sew on them. Twist and then pin the bands in place. Then I'll sew the t-shirt and the bands together. I'm cutting an elastic band of 7 inches long because you can see that the t-shirt of Forever 21 has this elastic band at the back side. I'll place it onto the back. I have to leave enough fabric at the bottom so that it can be folded over the elastic. I'll sew the elastic onto the back. Next, I'll fold the edge about half an inch and then I'm going to fold it over the elastic and then I'm going to sew this in place. Then I'll pin the sides of the front and back together and sew these together. Before I show you the final product, I'm going to give you a little advice that when you're choosing the t-shirt, make sure you choose something that's a bit loose on you. I did not choose something that was loose on me, so it's a bit fitted on me. Watching these DIYs. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below and don't forget to like this video and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. I'm going to leave the links in the description box below. If you haven't watched my previous videos yet, then go and watch them because they are really fun and easy to make. So until next time, take care, have fun and be messy. Bye!